Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to write an Instagram bio with the help of AI in the Insta app. Just open the app and go to your profile, tap on edit profile and here select the bio, and now if you write anything here, after that you can tap on this I don't know, this pencil button in the top right corner, and AI will help you rephrase your bio. You can select a tone as well, and then you will have options here. I will select this one. Of course, you can write a longer section and that will be more useful. I hope it helps you and have a nice day.